Hello dear students, today we'll have a discussion on the questions of analogy. So basically what is analogy is, analogy indicates the relationship between the elements. In all the analogy questions, you will be able to see two pairs. One pair is called reference pair and the other pair is called unknown pair. So what you need to do is, you just need to observe the reference pair and understand what is the relation or what is the logic in it. The same logic you have to apply to get the required quantity. So you can see three types of questions in analogy. One is number analogy and letter analogy and word analogy. We have a discussion on the questions of analogy and the two word analogy questions. In word analogy, let's look at the first question. Hospital, patients, school will be what? So what you need to do is observe the first reference pair, understand the logic. Patients will go to hospital for the treatment. And who will come to school for the treatment? Students. So mark the answer as C. Quadrilateral, square, triangle, what? Quadrilateral, square. Square is a type of quadrilateral where all sides are equal and all angles also equal. Similarly, we need a triangle. The triangle must have all sides as equal, all angles must be equal. If a triangle is having all sides as equal and all angles are equal, that must be an equilateral triangle. Mark the answer as A. Wood chair, dash ornament. Chair is made up of wood. Ornament is made up of gold. Mark the answer as B. Ice, water, dash ghee. So you can understand what is the relationship between ice and water. So ice, if you heat the ice, you will get ghee. You will get water. If you heat the ice, you will get water. If you heat what, you will get ghee. That's a question. So if you heat butter, you will get ghee. So answer choice must be butter. Pen, write, needle, what? Pen used to write, needle used to sew. Bread, bakery, milk, what? Bread you will find in bakery, milk you will find in dairy. Mark the answer B. Calorie, heat, bar, what? Calorie is a unit for heat, bar is a unit for pressure. Mark the answer C. Ammeter, current, barometer, what? Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. Barometer is a device which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Mark the answer D. Cardiology, heart, botany, dash. Cardiology is the study of heart. Botany is the study of plants. Mark the answer A. Foot, inch, ear, watch. Foot, inch. What is the relationship between foot and inch? 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. In the similar way, 1 year is equal to 12 months. That is the reason year should match with months. Mark the answer C. Turkey, Turkey, India, what? So Turkey is an old name. They changed the name to Turkey. In the similarly, India has changed the name in the G20 presidents as Bharat. So answer must be C. Pen, ink, pencil, what? Pen, inside the pen we will be having the ink and inside the pencil we will have a graphite. Answer must be B. India, ISRO, USA, what? So India is having ISRO and USA is having NASA. Instagram, reel, YouTube, what? So reels you will find in Instagram and in the similar fashion, shorts you will find in YouTube. Road, path, river, what? So path is available in the road. So stream is available in the river. Ocean, continent, sky, what? So continents are between the ocean. So basically we have 80% water and remaining is land. So similarly, sky will be consisting of clouds. Citizen, nation, tree, what? Citizens are in nation, trees are in forest. Continent, country. Then which of the following relation? So inside the continent you will find the country, and inside the house you will find the rooms. Carpet, room. Similar relation in the options. Carpet, room. So carpet will be on the floor of room and snow will be on the floor of yard. So answer must be A. Frame, picture, and which will match? Frame, picture, fence, add. That's how you will be seeing the questions on analogy.